Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hamida. Method of education East versus West. A teacher from a Western country recently visited an elementary school in an Asian country. In one class, she watched 6 young children as they learned to draw a cat. The teacher drew a big circle on the blackboard, and 6 children copied in on their papers. The teacher drew a smaller circle on top of the first and then put two triangle on top of it. The children drew in the same way. The lesson continued until there were 61 identical cats in the classroom. Each student cat looked exactly like the one on the board. The visiting teacher watched the lesson and surprised. The teaching method were very much different from the way of teaching in her own country. Children art lesson in her own country product a room full of unique picture, each one completely different from the other. Why? What causes this different educational method in a classroom in any country? The instructor teacher more than art of history or language. He or she also teacher culture, the ideas and belief of the society. Each educational system is a mirror that reflects the culture of the society. In a society such as the United States or Canada, which has many national, religious, and cultural differences, people highly follow individualism, the difference between people. Teacher plays a lot of importance of the qualities that make each student special. The educational system in these countries show as follows. Students do not memorize information. Instead, they work individually and find answers themselves. There is often discussion in the classroom. In an early age, students learn to form their own ideas and opinion. In most Asian societies, contract, the people have the same language, history, and culture. Per- perhaps, perhaps for this reason, the educational system in much of the Orient reference society believe in group goals and purpose rather than individualist. Children in China, Japan, and Korea often work together and help each other on assessment. In the classroom, the teaching methods are often very formal. The teach lecture and the student listen. There is not much discussion. Instead, the student reads rules or information that they have memorized. There are advantages and disadvantages to both of this system of education. For example, one advantage to system in Japan is the student there learn such much more math and session the American student learn by the end of the high school. They all student more hours each day and more days each year than North American do. The system is default, but in purpose student for association that follow this discipline and self-control. There is, however, and disadvantage. Memories in important learn method in Japanese school, yet many students say that after an exam, they forget much of the information that they have memorized. The advantage to educational system in North America, on the other hand, is the student learn to think for themselves. The system prepares them for a society that values creative ideas. There is, however, a disadvantage. Uh, when students graduate from high school, they have memorized as many basic rules and facts as students in other countries have. As the right method of educational will be different of faster, the causes of this different in is that the culture of society. For example, Canada or USA, which has a variant of national, religion, and culture. People respect the value of individualism. Teacher focus a lot of attention to the qualities that make say students special or unique. Students do not memorize information. Instead, they work individually and answer themselves. Classroom discussion is always be used as a teaching technique which has a goal to make students learn how touch their ideas and opinion. Meanwhile, in most Asian countries, by contract, the people have the same language, history, and culture. People respect the value of group work, of teamwork. Children in China, Japan, and Korea often do their assessment in group. They help one another in the classroom. The teaching activity is very formal. The teacher exam, teacher plans, and the student listen. There is no discussion between them. Instead, the student receives oral information that they have a memories. Briefly explain 3 facts about Western learning. Western world research-based approach. The Western educational system, especially under third level, place great emphasis on research-based learning. Students are encouraged to engage in independent, critical, and analytical research on the material. Student inclusive and multicultural education. Educational in the West tend to be more inclusive and multicultural, with effort to create an environment that both in terms of race, religion, gender, and social economic background. Use of technology in learning. The West make extensive use of technology in educational, both in the form of a learning, use of learning software, and access to online educational resources. This allows learning to be more flexible and accessible. You say, what are 3 facts about Western and Eastern educational method? Western education, student-centered learning. Western educational method often focus on the student, encouraging active and critical participation. Teacher act as facilitator who help students discover knowledge through discussion, project, and independent research. Collaborative learning. Western educational emphasis in the importance of teamwork and collaboration between students. Students are often given group assessment to develop social skill and the ability to work together to solve problems. Academic freedom. In the West, students often have freedom in choosing the subject or topic they wish to study. Especially at the university level, this support individual interests and more independent development. Students are expected to memorize the information provided by their teacher with a focus on exam preparation and achieve high academic result. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.